Today children, we will be studying about double fertilization, that is once the male and female gametes are found inside a flower. Let us see what happens now. Okay, now as we have already studied, that means the intine of the pollen grain, it will grow in the form of a tube through the germ pore like this, and the egg zyme, it is unevenly thick in this way. It is unevenly thick. Here and there are pores are there, germ pore. So the germ, through the germ pore, the intine of the pollen grain, it will grow, it will reach up to the ovule. And how it will enter, or through where it will enter through the micropyle. And children, as you know that at the tip of the pollen tube there are present the two male gametes are there, and then these are the synergid. On either side of the egg there is present the synergid, and in this synergid there is present, in each of the synergid there is present finger-like projections are there, which is known as filiform apparatus. Very important one. Inside the synergid there is present finger-like projection called filiform apparatus. What is the function of this filiform apparatus? Actually it is guiding. It guides the pollen tube to enter into the embryo sac. So either through one of the synergid, this pollen tube will enter like this through the micropyle. It will enter into the synergid with the direction of the filiform apparatus. As soon as it enters into the synergid, what will happen? The synergid will rupture and the cytoplasm of the synergid will flow, and along with this cytoplasmic flow, the male gamete, both the male gametes will also be liberated like this. One of the male gamete, it will fuse with the egg. This male gamete, it will fuse with the egg, and as a result it will result in the formation of a zygote. So N and N, it will fuse together to form zygote, which will later change into the young seedling. The second male gamete, which is also N, it will combine with central cell, which is 2N. As we know that 2 nuclei are there, so N and N, 2N. So 1, 2, 3. 3 nuclei are fusing together. So here, male and female, the gamete, when they fuse this to form the zygote, this fusion is known by the name syngamy, syngamy, syngamy. And then when male gamete and the central cell fuse together, because 3 nuclei are involved, it is known as triple fusion. And then male and gamete and central cell will combine together to form primary endosperm nucleus. The ploidy is 3N, which will later change into primary endosperm cell, which is also 3N, and this fusion is known by the name triple fusion. So syngamy, triple fusion. So because in angiosperm 2 types of fusions are taking place, that is syngamy and triple fusion, this is known by the name double fertilization. This is known by the name double fertilization. And then what will happen after this? The stigma and the style, everything will dry off, and now the ovary, it will start changing into a fruit like this. It will start changing into a fruit. Ovule, it will start changing into a seed like this, and then this primary endosperm cell, it will first enlarge. Primary endosperm, it will enlarge, and the one nucleus of the primary endosperm cell, it will divide many times like this. It will divide many times in this way, and then after that around each nucleus there cell formation will take place, so that on the upper part of the seed there is present the endosperm, which is the reserve food, or which is the stored food when the young plant is inside the seed. And this zygote, it will start changing into the young embryo. That's all about. This is how the double fertilization and development of endosperm takes place.